If you've been frustrated by VLC Media Player suddenly crashing on your Windows 11 PC, you are definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step through the most reliable fixes, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to restore VLC's smooth playback and avoid those annoying interruptions. Whether you're watching movies, streaming music, or just playing a quick video file, you'll be up and running in no time, so let's dive straight in. First, let's start by tweaking some basic VLC settings. Sometimes a simple adjustment can make a world of difference when dealing with crashes. Open VLC, then head up to the Tools menu and choose Preferences. You'll see a few tabs. Click on Input Codecs. Now, one setting that often leads to trouble is hardware accelerated decoding. This is supposed to make video play smoother by tapping directly into your computer's graphics hardware, but on some systems it can actually cause VLC to crash, especially if there are compatibility issues. To fix this, set hardware accelerated decoding to disable, then click Save. Don't worry if disabling this seems counterintuitive. Most modern PCs are plenty powerful enough to handle video playback without it, and you may notice VLC runs more reliably from here on out. Next, while you're still in Preferences, let's hit the Reset Preferences button in the bottom left corner. This returns VLC to its factory settings in case any misconfigured option is causing the crash. If you're someone who likes to tweak advanced settings, don't worry, you can always recustomize these later. Confirm the reset, and it's a good idea to restart VLC before you test things again. The third adjustment is all about the video output method. Still in Preferences, this time click on the Video tab. You'll see an output option, usually set to automatic. Sometimes VLC might pick a method that clashes with your graphics drivers. So try changing this to OpenGL Video Output or DirectX Direct Draw. These are tested options that can often resolve stubborn crash issues. Take your time to switch between them and see which one works best for your particular system. This small tweak may take a few moments, but it's well worth the effort if you've been stuck with constant crashes. Now let's move on to some general system maintenance that will help VLC and your PC overall. The first step is super simple: update VLC itself. Just go to Help, then check for updates in the app. Developers regularly release new versions to patch bugs and improve stability, so running the latest release can clear up lots of mysterious problems. After that, make sure your graphics drivers are current. Outdated drivers are one of the most common culprits behind any media player crash. You'll need to visit your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the latest driver for your hardware, whether you use Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD. Updating drivers is a bit like giving your PC a tune-up. Everything runs smoother afterwards. If you're unsure which model you have, just search System Information in Windows and look under Display Adapter. Finally, try running VLC as an administrator. Right-click the VLC shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Sometimes, Windows won't grant necessary permissions to apps unless you do this, and a lack of permission can cause VLC to shut down unexpectedly. If none of those steps work, let's go for a clean reinstall. Start by uninstalling VLC. Open your settings, go to Apps, find VLC in Installed Apps, and hit Uninstall. Give your computer a quick restart to make sure every file and setting tied to VLC is really gone. Then, download the latest version directly from the official VLC website and reinstall it. You'll get a fresh start, free of any lingering issues that might have built up. And that's it. Follow these steps and you should see VLC running smoother than ever on your Windows 11 machine. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another tech problem you'd like solved. Subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.